official. Oh, it's still out in the van. The ice cream.
Yeah. We'll
Oh, my.
hold it. Hey, Adam, smile.
Well, we'll get it here in just a minute.
Uh-oh.
That's okay. Okay.
Oh, my. I wonder what that
Open it
is.
up.
What is that?
Okay, hold on. You gotta open up the other box. Open up the other box.
Yeah, it's a bike.
Okay, it's got a suitcase. Hold on a minute.
Oh, suitcase.
Oh, let me take it out of the box. Close your eyes. Don't open.
Adam, you're peeking.
Don't open. Andrew, don't say anything yet. What do you think? You like it?
I think this is exciting.
You like it, Adam?
Yes!
Adam.
Adam, it's $12.50. Yeah, $12.50 express.
You wanna hook it up?
Yeah.
Christmas tree? Right now?
Yes. Express stick.
Here, go like this.
Wait, I'll turn around.
Okay, come on, guys.
I've got them.
Okay, Mom, take Stephanie
Let's
back there.
see. Can I turn this off or what?
No, not yet.
Here you are.
Kyle, Stephanie.
I'll try to block you out.
Hi,
Hi, guys. Okay. Smile. Don't put your finger in your ear. Look, Andrew.
Got an itch.
Adam, what minute? I thought it was a bike.
Yeah,
Oh, I thought it was a bike too.
Okay, let's see if we
Alright.
can open this thing.
Kyle, Stephanie. Adam.
Oh, and she's
Yeah, she's a little fussy right now, dude.
okay.
Okay, guys, make sure that you keep this box real nice, okay?
Down here.
Can I turn this off now, dude?
Yeah, go ahead.
Wait a minute.
Was it?
Oh, look. Okay, now.
Right, hold it, stop. Okay.
That's back up. This is the way, see, what you back up. Wait a minute, I'll let him do. Show you how to work it.
It's not hitting the tree, is it?
And then push it this way to go forward.
Not too fast yet.
That one's good forward fast. Stop, back it. Push it this way. Okay, you got it? Okay, you run her now. Not too fast. You'll have a wreck if you go too fast.
No, not yet, Andrew. Just leave it alone for a little while. Let it warm up.
How many cars come with it?
Now run her backwards a little bit, Adam. Run it backwards a little bit now.
The whole evening should start packing. The idea was not personal.
A little faster.
Now run it some more. Run it backwards some more. That gets it nice and warmed up. That'll make it last longer.
Yeah, it's got a light on. That light comes on. Does it whistle?
I think it's got a whistle, yeah.
Put the cars on.
Well, we're gonna warm it up first.
Okay, a little faster, Adam.
Backwards or forwards?
Backwards.
Okay, now look.
That's fast it goes backwards.
Okay, turning forward.
Who's this? Is this Peter Pan?
Yeah. Captain Hook. Hook.
A little faster, Adam.
Aha. All the way up. Look. Can I check that in?
No, not yet.
That's a steam engine, ain't it? That ain't no old diesel, is it?
Yeah, it is a diesel.
Where's the cow catcher?
Cat's in here, I'll put on it. Here, what? Here it comes.
Where's the cow catcher?
Here. Right there.
Where's the smokestack? Did you get any oil to put in the smokestack?
Yeah, it came with some.
Right there. You don't smoke?
Yes.
What was the battery?
It's for that back compartment thing. That's what makes it the whistle and stuff work. Okay.
Now, is that all the track it's got?
Yeah.
What's that? The glove
You just not gonna put them on yet?
Yeah, I'm going to here in just a second.
This way. Go forward. Don't go backwards. No, no. The other way.
House is smooth.
Can't you get it?
Comes uncoupled.
Nice and slow. Try it. Go.
Forward a little bit, Adam. Wait a minute, it ain't going.
Stop. Lost part of the train.
Faster. There's a bit of smoking. He put some smoke in it.
Let's see. I don't see it smoking.
Hold it, Andrew. Let me turn it on. You just got it turned on. Hold it right there.
Now somebody is sleeping in my bed. I said somebody is sleeping in my bed. My bed, get it?
I said he got this for his birthday. He's getting for his. What's he getting for Christmas? Adam. Hi. Oh yeah, remember that.
Okay.
They get this thing. They can jet. We know this big.
Dave, how does that turn end open up? You got that switch off, I think. Turn it on. It ain't smoking. Bring it around here, Andrew. Andrew, bring it.
Oh, see y'all. Thanks for coming. Thanks for your gift.
Anybody in there? There's nobody in here but us parents. Oh, that's right.
Can I turn it off, Dave?
And a mean little one.